Hello students, today we all have learned about the remaining topics of the chapter molecular basis of inheritance. In the previous session we all have know DNA duplication and various types of experiments which are related to this chapter, and today we all have detailed study about the DNA transcription. DNA transcription. DNA transcription. What is the DNA transcription? How can we define what is the transcription? The formation of RNA from the DNA is known as DNA transcription. Means वह प्रोसेस जिसमें किसी भी डीएनए से आरएनए बनता है या आरएनए बनने की प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? डीएनए ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. डीएनए ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में मेनली होता क्या है? जो डीएनए के बेस पेयर्स होते हैं ए टी सी जी, ए टी सी जी, it is the base pairs of DNA. During the process of transcription, the thymine base pair is replaced by uracil. Thymine is replaced by uracil. This is the main changes occurs during the transcription process. Transcription unit. Transcription unit. Some essential components are take parts in the during transcription. These essential complex is known as transcription units and which involve in the transcription process. The transcription units composed this type of structures. Promoter, structural gene, and terminator. Terminator. High to 3 polarity. Okay. The first parts are promoter generally connect to the 5 end of coding strands which start the process of transcription, and the terminator located on the 3 ends of coding strands 3 to 5 direction strand known as template strand, and 5 to 3 polarity strand known as coding strands. Template strand, the coding strands. Coding strands. Okay. So these are known as the transcription unit. The template strand take part in the process of transcription and coded for the specific mRNA, where the 5 to 3 polarity are the strands known as coding strands. It does not code for any mRNA. Next, transcription in prokaryotes. Transcription in prokaryotes. प्रोकैरियोट्स में ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कैसे होता है? मीन्स डीएनए से आरएनए का फॉर्मेशन जो माइक्रोब्स होते हैं, जैसे बैक्टीरिया में किस टाइप से डीएनए से आरएनए बनता है? इन बैक्टीरियाज द डीएनए strand is polycistronic and it capable to form all type of RNA in the organism. So a single enzyme RNA polymerase complete the process. The process is completed is 3 steps. Number 1, initiation. Second, elongation. And third, termination. First, initiation. In this process, the RNA polymerase enzyme bind to sigma factor RNA polymerase terminator So during initiation process, the RNA polymerase bind with sigma factor and the process मतलब opening of DNA helix start. RNA polymerase क्या वर्क करता है? जो डीएनए हेलिक्स होती है उसके बीच जो बॉन्ड्स होता है उसको ब्रेक कर देता है और प्रोसेस को स्टार्ट कर देता है. दिस इज नोन एज इनिशिएशन. सेकेंड, इलॉन्गेशन. इलांगेशन में क्या होता है? इन दिस प्रोसेस In this process, the initiation continuously go and the process increase and the opening is complete and the replacing of the thymine by the uracil and RNA chain forms. RNA chains forms. This is known as elongation. And third is termination. Termination. In this process, when the complete RNA strand is formed, a terminator bind terminator, that is rho factor bind to RNA polymerase. Rho factor bind to RNA polymerase and the process stops and nascent RNA forms and fall off in the cytoplasm. So this is the process of transcription which completes in prokaryotes. In prokaryotes, completing the three steps: initiation, elongation, and termination. Next, transcription in prokaryotes. Transcription in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Transcription in eukaryotes. In eukaryotes, that is the higher organism, the transcription takes place in the other ways. In eukaryotes, the DNA strands, template strands, and the monocistronic, it capable to form only specific types of RNAs. Three types of enzymes are takes place during this process. Number one, RNA polymerase. First, RNA polymerase second, and RNA polymerase third. Each enzyme form specific types of RNA. That is, RNA polymerase first forms ribosomal RNA. RNA polymerase second form messenger RNA. And RNA polymerase third form tRNA, transfer RNA. So during transcription, the transcription unit template strands composed of exon and intron. Exon and intron. Exons, which are coding for DNA transcription. Introns, it does not coding for the transcription. So during the transcription process, exon are joins and introns are removes. During the transcription process, the exons are joins and introns are removes, and this process is known as transcription splicing. This process is known as splicing. Introns, exon and introns. During the process of transcription in eukaryote, two additional process takes place. This process is known as typing and tailing. Typing, number one, typing, and second is tailing. टाइपिंग में क्या होता है? इन दिस प्रोसेस द HNRNA undergoes a specific process. Methnosine guanose triphosphate, the 5' exon, intron, it is the strands, the 3' to 5' PP. During typing process, methionine guanosine triphosphate at the 5' end of HNRNA, and this is known as typing. Tailing, in this process, the 3 ends of HNRNA polyadenylates added. Polyadenylate added and known as tailing. And after some times, the HNRNA transform into mRNA, and the process is completed. So these are the transcription. We have learned detail about the transcription process and the transcription in prokaryotes and transcription in eukaryotes. Okay.